Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good day to all of you. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. I am Zarina Tukiran from Computer Engineering Cluster at Electronic Engineering Department in FKE UTEShan. For this IDP class, I will share to you about engineering testing, which focus on smart traffic application. So this is the outline of today's sharing. First, engineering testing, which covers definition of testing, why we perform testing, and when to test. Second, engineering testing in the IDP report. I will show you where does the testing should be placed in the IDP report and my suggestion on what to write in the section. And lastly, I will share with you some examples of engineering testing on the smart traffic. So this is an overview of engineering testing. So in the development of the hardware and software system, test is the last step. We gather requirements, do high-level design, details design, create code, do some unit testing, then integrate, and finally perform the final test. Testing is often discussed in the context of verification and validation, which purpose to ensure the customer receive a good quality product and either the customer nor the supplier is burdened with the cost of rework due to failures of the product after delivery. In this context, testing is typically viewed as one of several methods that can be used in support of verification and validation. Why test? Before you begin designing test, it's important to have a clear understanding of why you are testing. This understanding influences which tests you stress and, more importantly, how early your tests begin. In general, you test for two reasons. First, to find bugs or errors in software, where the cost of finding errors and bugs in a released product is significantly higher than during unit testing. The earlier a bug is found, the less expensive it is to fix. Second, by performing testing, the performance of the system is enhanced. For example, by finding and eliminating errors in code, and inefficient code can help ensure that the software uses the full potential of the hardware. When to test? You should begin testing as soon as developed prototype is feasible. Usually the earlier test conducted by the developer is called unit or module test. So where the testing in the IDP report? Okay, when you downloaded the template IDP2 report and open it, you will find engineering testing section, this one, right after the topic of engineering design. Okay, so I suggest you to organize the engineering testing section with the following content. First, you state the aim of testing for the developed prototype. Second, explain the design of experiments or step-by-step procedures to perform the testing. If possible, provide in the report photo of your experimental setup. Third, provide and present the collected data or results in a suitable form, whether in table, graph, or figure, or any combinations of it. Lastly, perform analysis, interpretation, and discussion. So here I would like to show you one case study related to smart traffic application. In this example, the proposed system is expected able to perform two tasks. First, to count number of moving vehicle of the lane. Second, estimate the speed of moving vehicle of the lane. So this is the test conducted to meet the first expected outcome, which is count number of moving vehicle of the lane. Okay, this is the tools and setup. Mobile phone camera, the vehicle, and then the image data, the computer with the MATLAB software. Okay, let's watch how the test is conducted. So as you can see here, the yellow box here, okay, the yellow box here indicates the number of detected vehicle, right? So when there is a moving vehicle detected, it will show the number. If not, it count 0. Okay. So this is the experimental testing result for this test. Right. So this slide shows another test conducted for second expected outcome, which is to estimate the speed of moving vehicle of the lane. Right? So these are the tools: the mobile phone camera, the vehicle, the speedometer, the image data, the computer with MATLAB. Okay. Then let's watch how the test is conducted. Okay. Input the data, the image data, then it starts count. As you can see, there is a second yellow box. The second yellow box indicates the speed of the vehicle, moving vehicle, in kilometer per hour. Okay. So this is the experimental or testing results. Okay, and this is the overall architecture. Right, this is the overall architecture of the proposed system, and this is the final test using real-time data of that particular route. Right, so this is another example of smart traffic case study. Right, this slide shows another test of smart traffic application. In this test, the prototype is expected to control the traffic light at 4 intersections. Okay, using controller. Let's show how the test is conducted. Okay, so and this is another slide that shows a test of smart traffic prototype, which should be able to control all intersection. Okay, all the traffic light at the four intersection using a mobile phone. Okay, via IoT application. This so this video shows how the test is conducted. Right, that's all for this slide. Alright, so these are the references for this slide, and I would like to credit to Nur Amin Fitri bin Aminuddin, the electronic engineering students, for all videos provided in this slide. If you have any questions about engineering testing, please contact me at my email here, zarin@utasham.edu.my. Thank you for your attention. We end our session today with tasbih kifarah and surah Al-As. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Stay healthy, stay safe.